Hi and welcome to AEC Insider. My name is Igor and today I'm going to show you how our platform can help you overcome inefficiencies with digital transformation in your organization. Our friends in construction innovation roles tell us the same story. A substantial portion of budget allocated for innovation projects does not deliver the expected value. And the issue is not in the technology itself, but the process of integration of this technology into existing workflow so it brings a true value to people in the field. And that is why we built AEC Insider. We learned that documenting the status quo is critical to suggest any improvement. And without a deep understanding of your existing workflow, convincing experienced superintendent is an impossible task. Let's start with the whiteboard. We hide sidebars. This is our collaborative space when you and your team can work together on a project in real time or independently from each other. We have all the whiteboard functionality. So we can add a sticky note, for example, to highlight the time we spend on some task to give everyone clear and shared view on a project. For effective management of your workflow, we built a native and automated project management system. Let's open the left sidebar. We see our project name, a description, tasks that are currently in progress, and the team that works on this workflow. To open all projects, we'll go to Tasks tab, and we see that currently we have one project and we can build multiple projects for one workflow. Let's create a task. Validate the workflow with pre-construction design stakeholders. We can add a simple description. We can assign this task. We can choose a project, status, deadline, and the priority of the task. Once the task is created, we can click it and see all information about it. For each task, we can make subtasks. Check on a typical cost of top track with procurement. We add description, assign it, set deadline, and priority. If we click on it, we see all the details about this task here. Once the task is done, we click it's done, and our system automatically tracks it. Because we track all activity, you can use this data for reporting and predicting the time and resources needed to allocate in the future. You can simply drag and drop it between these different statuses. Once a month, you need to report your progress for your portfolio of innovation projects. And that is when our unique AI copilot is attached to each workflow, can make your life easier. Let's open a sidebar and ask some simple questions. For example, who created tasks today and what task? We can see that the information we just built is here. Let's ask another question. What is the progress status of today? That's why we have a trusted assistant that cuts through the noise so you can actually focus on what matters and keeps all the information in one place, helping you accurately retrieve all the supporting data. So we have static data based on the project progress. Now let's invite a new drone technology provider to our workflow. We add John Smith. Now we see the user invited. Once we added him to our workflow, our AI tracks this information. And we can ask, who is John Smith? Not much of the information. So we have a new call with John recently and we discussed new updates. And we want to upload this transcript of the conversation to our system. Let's explore the discovery call. We see 3 pages of the transcript. So let's upload this data to our AI system. We see that files have been successfully uploaded. Now let's ask again. And we see that because we enriched our knowledge base in real time, we have more information about it. Now also let's ask who are the participants on the discovery call. We see those 2 people. And if we check our document, we see that those 2 participants were indeed on the call. But how about we make it more sophisticated? For example, we can ask, what are the main benefits of using drones in construction? So we see this information was generated by our AI based on the information we provided before in real time. Now, after the call, Jonas sent some specifications on a drone. Let's check them. We have this Excel file with different data. We can also simply upload it to our system. So we see we have a new file, Excel updated, and let's ask some typical questions about the payload. And we see that maximum payload is 6 kilos. Not just static data, but also dynamic data about the maximum average max speed. Therefore, our AI is not just using your raw facts, but also help you use this data so you can have more insights and use this information for your reports. So far, you've seen what our AEC Insider can do, but let's take on a bigger picture. If you go to our dashboard platform, you can see that you can build multiple workflows here, but we also have a general knowledge base, and we can ask questions like, where can I see all the tasks? And you see that our AI can actually help you navigate the platform more effectively. But let's ask, for example, what is the purpose of AEC Insider? And you see our value proposition. The way our objective is to help construction innovation managers use an innovation budget more effectively and become more productive with our system. So let's wrap things up. The core of our platform is Whiteboard, integrated with automated project management system and AI Copilot to help you navigate the project. At AEC Insider, we help you to streamline those workflows and help you bring in true technology to the field, and our AI offers a process improvements and task optimization. This way you help your project running smoothly and effectively with all stakeholders being aligned on the same objective. So go ahead and try AEC Insider today. I'm keen to help you to get started, and if you have any questions, feel free to shoot me an email in the description below, and thank you for your time.